Hi, my name is Shimmer, and at the time of this upload, I've been vlogging for 3 years now. I've uploaded over 100 vlogs. I've gained 2,348 subscribers, 284,504 views, and a couple $100.
I got vlog money, yeah, I got some vlog money.
Before I tell you guys what I've learned, here's a little story of how I got started. I've been uploading videos on YouTube for forever on different channels. However, around 2015, 2016, I started making videos with my homies on a channel called RWNLPWNL. RWNLPWNL is a cultural comedy channel, and at the time it had around 1,000 subscribers. We were making parodies, skits. The channel started gaining more traction. Roughly about a year later, summer 2017, the channel was at around 3,000 subscribers. The homies would always fool around, and at the time, I was a huge David Dobrik and Casey Neistat fan. I mean, I still am. I had the idea of vlogging friends to show our personalities more than what the parodies and skits were. We were going on a trip to Texas and thought it would be the perfect time to start the vlog. I had around 40 subscribers on this channel, and after the first vlog came out, immediately gained over 100 subscribers. It was a 5-part daily vlog called The Texas Vlogs, which you can still watch, and instantly became a classic amongst the people that watch our videos. Here's actually a pic of me editing the first vlog at an airport when we got to Texas. Don't I look sexy? After we got back, I knew I needed to vlog it because I loved it. The issue, however, was that the RWNLPWNL crew unfortunately actually lived like an hour and a half away. And since I was trying to be consistent, I'd be spending roughly 12 to 20 bucks worth of gas and tolls every weekend to get there and make videos. But we made it work. We were making fire videos, parodies, skits, vlogs, podcasts, all of the above. Around 6 months into vlogging, December 2017, one of our parodies, Packy Gang parody, went really viral. It shot our main channel up from 5,000 subscribers to 20,000 subscribers in less than a month. I was vlogging the BTS the whole time, so my channel actually shot up from 100-something subscribers to 1,000 in a month. And the whole year after, we'd get a lot of opportunities to perform around the country. We'd go from Chicago to Texas to Miami. Throughout all these trips, I would be vlogging it. We were steadily growing, everything was amazing, content was amazing, until spring 2019, I ended the vlog. Now here's where I tell you what I've learned. I ended the vlog because things started becoming inconsistent and there wasn't as much hype as there was before, and for that reason I knew that my videos couldn't depend on other people. So rule 1, if you're vlogging with friends, make sure they're consistently available if you're trying to be consistent. Rule number 2, be consistent but keep quality. I noticed that a lot of traction that I was getting on my channel and the other channel was that we were consistent, and then once I saw that consistency was lacking, the hype and humor levels also started lacking, so I ended it before it was being drawn out too long. Rule number 3, make sure you vlog with people who are comfortable with the camera and are okay with being vulnerable on the internet. Everyone has insecurities, and putting them out there takes a lot. I've been making videos for so long with ups and downs that at this point, if someone found out my size, I'd be like, whatever. But you have to understand that not everyone's like that. Even with my small channel, I've been threatened to be sued, almost lost friendships, deleted videos, random people telling me to take my videos down, and it's gonna happen. It's inevitable, and you have to worry about other people's feelings, unfortunately, when you are making content. A lot of the times, not everyone is funny on camera, so you have to take charge in controlling the situation. But when you're with the right people, the best footage comes out naturally and easily. Having a mix of different personalities really makes a great vlog. After ending the vlog, I had to make content by myself. And this brings me to rule number 4. When filming by yourself, you either have to have an amazing personality or amazing storytelling. And if you have both, never stop. Emma Chamberlain is someone who can make a video of herself just talking and it'll have millions of views. Casey Neistat is someone who has both, but utilizes great storytelling, such as the beginning, middle, and end model. Around 4 months after ending the vlog, the RWNLPWNL channel started a second channel where we have a group vlog. This way, not one person is held accountable, but still have the same style of vlogs, same similar vlogs. Also, the main channel wasn't monetized, so this was a way to monetize that. Fast forward to around the beginning of the pandemic situation, I started vlogging again. I changed up the style and everything, and it really changed the direction of my channel and really gave it a source of life again. My biggest takeaway is that vlogging is very hard to grow in terms of numbers, but you get so much closer to your viewers. It's not as friendly for the algorithm anymore, so keep it short and concise as possible. Rule number 5, have fun with it, be authentic. Rule number 6, don't worry about the numbers, make the best content you can, and your viewers will feel that. And I also want to say thank you guys for watching this video. It's actually sponsored. Yes, this video is sponsored. It is sponsored by RWNLPWNL.com. RWNLPWNL.com is the greatest site to get your merch. Also, you guys have been supporting us on Patreon. We are on Patreon. We have exclusive vlog footage content on there. If you become a patron, thank you for allowing me to vlog for 3 years, and I hope I do for a much longer time. Thank you very much. Peace.